Hello guys, if you want to make profitable trading life, this channel is for you. Please like and subscribe and share this video to as many as you can. Now I'll be showing you guys on how to make a massive profitable trading online. Actually right now we are trading volatility 100 1x. So in case you're actually new in this Telegram channel or in this YouTube channel, please punch the subscribe button, share the video, comment what you think about this particular trade. Alright, so I'll be teaching you guys one simple step to be a profitable trader. If you want to be a profitable trader, first of all, you don't trade every day. You don't go into market when you see anything about market. You don't just say, okay, I see this market is selling, then I'll just place my sell. You will definitely end up blowing your account. You have to go in market when the market is purely going your possible ways. Yes, that's for a fact. You can't really go into market and be like, okay, I want to go into this market. I think this market is actually selling. That's gambling. That's gambling, and probably you end up losing all your money. Even if you make at least, you make at least $100 profit, you still end up blowing your account at the end because you don't go into market when you're supposed to go into. When you are in the when you are a trader in forest, what you do is, like me, what I do is I design and I set up my office, then where I will see all my trading signals, then I'll see the market place. I'll put the market in the screen, all my television screen in the house, so that if I'm passing, I'll be looking at the market. Anywhere I'm going, I'll still be looking at the market. Even in the toilet, I'll still be looking at the market. So that anytime I see my signals, or maybe the perfect trading signal could be in, or I make sure that okay, this is actually what will happen. Like, let me say, for instance, now I'm trading rejection, or I'm trading rejection, or let's just go with rejection. I'm trading rejection, and I'll just be monitoring the market. Anywhere I see rejection, I'll be like, okay, this is actually a perfect rejection, and this is a time for me to go in. That's how you make your profitable and successful trading in trading industry. So you will go in wherever you're needed. Sometimes you will have to wait for like 2 days, one full day, in order to get that perfect trading signal you're looking for. Yes, for a purpose. You don't just rush into trading and expect yourself to be a very nice, successful trader and grow your account and blah blah. Forget about what people or profitable traders out there used to tell you on YouTube. This is actually how they do it, how they did it, and how they make it real. Now, when you go into that perfect trading signals that you predicted that this is actually what it will be, and definitely that's what it will be, then you don't forget to set your stop loss and take profit. And most importantly, profit must be involved, because you must take profit, because when you place a trade wanting to grow your account or wanting to take a profit of $1K in that market, you will find out that when you are actually getting to 1K to 1.5, you find out that your mind still tells you that this market is going to go massively profit, and you are going to end up being a successful trader, or making massive profits up to $5K or stuff like that. And you end up, once the market gets to uh, one six dollars, like, or $1.6, then it reverses. Maybe you might be thinking, okay, maybe this actually a sign or something that will make people run from the market. No, it's not. It's actually a reversal. Then you just wait for you to go back up or go back to your previous direction. Uh, in order to make your massive profit or what you think. Then you see that the market will still keep on moving, confusing you, maybe go back down or go back a little bit up. Then you think, okay, this is actually the plan, then it will start going back up. Before you know it will spike down, and you will end up having a massive loss, and you can't even control it. You will just have to close with massive loss. You'd have already made your dreamed profit already, but you still had this selfish and greedy act. Then you want to grow your account from that amount to this amount. So that's how it is. That's why you must put your take profit and stop loss. That's why this stop loss coming. Now, if you put your stop loss in this particular anchor, that okay, I'm risking $50 or I'm risking $200 in this particular trade. I don't want to risk more, but $200 is okay. I'm risking $200 in this particular trade, and I'm looking for $300 profit. That's it. Then when you place those two stuff in the market, you'll find out that okay, if the market is coming down to blow your account, it will definitely not give you that massive loss you think you're looking for. And if it's going up, you close with profit before it even reverses to come down to blow your account. So that's how market works. And a lot of forex traders won't actually tell you this small secret of a forex trader. So we all hide it from you guys so that you guys will not be able to learn. But actually, this is how it is. And if you are actually in for an account management, point into my DM. I'll be adding you up in my group, or I'll be managing your account in massive profit. Let's grow your account to massive profit and make you very rich. Point it to my DM. I'll be dropping the numbers on my comment sections, or should I say the link to my Telegram channel or to my WhatsApp channel, so that you can be able to reach me for an account management. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video as many as you can. And please bring your account for our management. If you know you are going to lose that small equity account or that big equity account, bring it for our account management. Let's make money together. Let's make you massive profit in this particular market. I don't want to see you lose, and you are all my fans and supporter, so I don't want to see you lose. Bring your account, let me manage it for you and make massive profit. And don't forget to subscribe, share this video to as many as you can, and don't forget to put stop loss and take profit if you are actually trading this from today on. If you are trading from today on, don't forget to put these two things, and have a nice day and have a wonderful trade. See you guys in my next video. I'll be uploading soon, so have a nice day. Thank you.